Good fat, bad fat, isn't fat just fat? Not so, says Elizabeth Bailey, a Mayo Clinic registered dietitian nutritionist.
So fats are essential for heart health, for body function, for brain health. But when choosing fats, we do want to be sure that we're choosing the right types of fat.
So, what counts as a right type of fat?
That would be your unsaturated fats, your monounsaturated and your polyunsaturated fats.
Bailey offers this quick tip when making a cooking decision.
So you can think good fat, think liquid at room temperature fat.
Consider olive oil, canola oil, and avocado oil as good fats to cook with.
You can associate your bad fats with solid at room temperature fats.
Those bad or saturated fats include butter, coconut oil, lard, and animal products. When it comes to matters of the heart, be proactive and choose healthy fats.
Healthy fats have been shown to be protective for heart health because they reduce the LDL or the bad cholesterol.
For the Mayo Clinic News Network, I'm Joel Streed.